it's Ashley here with my haul from the Tranquility collection for Cocoa Daisy for May of 2021. It's plant themed and I love it. This is my Daisy Week stickers, and these are the Daisy Day and Date stickers. I get the week's calendar sticker as a subscription and then add on the date sheet extra. I also loved this kit so much that I grabbed a couple things from the Buy Sell Trade group, wood veneers, and that Grow acrylic piece, this Simon clip, a corrugated alphabet, this thin black washi with white polka dots. I love it. So cute. And then coordinating tab, card that says, yes, I do need all these plants, and some chipboard. So I grabbed a lot of this extra stuff to be used in my memory keeping. I'm not going to use chipboard and wood veneer in my planner, but the washi for sure. First, I'm going to add my Daisy Weeks calendar stickers. These are sized to go in like a Hobonichi Weeks or Daisy Weeks booklet planner. But they usually fit perfect for this section of my Get to Work book. And so I love using them here. And they just add the perfect little pop of color and enhance my planner. The little sheets, like I said, they are sized to fit one on each side of the spread of a Hobo Weeks or a Daisy Weeks. Obviously, the Get to Work book's a little bit wider. Also, the Weeks stickers run Monday through Sunday, and I prefer my monthly view to look to go Sunday through Saturday. It lines up with our pay schedule better. So I just cut the little strips and lay them out to work perfectly. Also, they are colored for each week. So each week's a different color. But because I go Sunday through Saturday instead of a Monday start, my colors, they shift a little bit. But it does not bother me. It does not have to be perfect. This is my everyday all things planner, so functionality wins over perfection for me. But it's fun, and I like that the Mondays are different. This is what the whole thing looks like. I set it all up, and then I start embellishing. I did not get me adding that this month box that also came from Daisy Weeks or the Weeks sheet in that little May tab up in the upper right hand corner. But I'm going to cover those calendars on the lower left hand side. This whole sheet is printables, free printables from the shop, and I just run it through a Xyron. I haven't found a sticker paper that I like. So I'm just going to put that in that corner and cover that mess up with that cute little blue butterfly. And then on to some more embellishing. Self-love, peace, and inner serenity are going to go. Again, they're sized to fit perfectly across like the seam or the gutter, whatever you like to call it, of the 2 pages. And so I just put them that way. Adding this box sticker for my some goal setting, and then I'm going to add a little tab for next month for future planning. And then, let's see. We have a lot of stuff coming up in May, especially the next 3 weeks, or the first 3 weeks of May. Let's see. I'm going to start adding some stickers here at some point. There we go. Mother's Day. And then a little Yoda for Star Wars Day. That's from PMD Stickers. I think I'm just going through what I have and deciding what I want to put where and what I did for last month. So I have weekly business meetings twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. I don't know the theme of the meeting until they announce it at the start of the month. So when I set this up, obviously we weren't in May yet. So I add these little, I don't know what shape this is called, but those are from the Daisy Day and Date sheet. And I put them in for the reminder, and then at the beginning of the month I'll go in and write the theme. And then there's coordinating circles that I also add for Thursday. As you can see, 20th is really rocking with a lot going on. And then I think we have a birthday that I'll embellish. Yep, right there. I try to keep my month out of view as uncluttered as possible with as few embellishments. But you'll see I really will typically add a lot of detail in as the week progresses. So you're going to see my weekly pages here in just a second. So you saw me set up all of this. You didn't get to see me set up my weekly. It stopped recording. So I'm going to flip through that really quick. Most of this is like 99% of it is Cocoa Daisy. And then the few other things in here are going to be PMD stickers. pmdstickers.com.au. She's also on Etsy. Love it. She's adorable. You can also get some custom scripty ones, which I have done. So let's flip through really quick. Really straightforward. This is where we're starting the month at, and then I will add to it as we go along. I put the important things that I know of coming up in here right away. And then fill in day to day as we go along. This is kind of my notes section. That's why I put the tab here. Some months it's in the front and some months it's in the back, like March was at the end. But other than that, really straightforward. So yeah, one thing I get asked about all the time is our meal plan structure. It's really simple. I get a ton of questions about it. If this is unclear or you want to know more about how we do it or why we meal plan this way, ask in the comment section below. I didn't know that this was so abnormal to people. I don't know. If you have questions, that's great. I love answering questions, but I didn't know that it was weird. So, because of my husband's work schedule, it's not a conventional work schedule, and the fact that we live so far away from a grocery store, it's a chore going. We go 1 to 2 weeks, so we just list out everything that we might want to eat in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Then I make a master grocery list of everything that we're going to need to make those meals. Then after we go grocery shopping and I looked at the quality of the produce and fill any gaps that we need to fill in and look at like the dates on the meat we were able to get, if we're having a meat heavy week. From there, using all of those variables is when we'll fill in. But I also like leaving the space open to account for life. Like maybe I don't want to do a 12-step recipe on Wednesday because it was a really hard day. And I'd much rather save that for Saturday or Sunday or whatever day I know my husband's going to be home so he can either A, cook it himself, or B, keep the kids occupied while I put in the extra work to make the involved dish. So, like, for me, it's straightforward and it makes sense, but I guess it doesn't make sense to everyone. But that's also why I separate this out. I used all the same washi this month, and it's this polka dot washi. So, really straightforward. It's about to get super busy around here. Oh, this little decoration is for book club. And that's about it. We have a birthday coming up. We have people coming to town for said birthday. an end of the year celebration that's going on. But yeah, pretty straightforward. And that is that. And yeah, so check out, it's a little preview of what's coming up for Light the Path, some pretty digital washi that I printed out. So get to workbook, hacked and decorated with mainly Cocoa Daisy Tranquility. Check out their shop. It's late in the month, and they just released their June stuff. That's right. We work a month ahead. So go get all your June goodies before they sell out. I do a subscription now because I am addicted to the way that it looks and don't like to change. So I will see you again relatively soon. I have a flip through for my new Get to Work book that just arrived. It'll either be posted already, like right now it could be up, or it will be posted in the next couple of days. Thanks, bye.